Alright, this is may seem silly and stupid, but it really is not. It's how to replace your air filter on your furnace. Most furnaces now are made with a 6-inch media instead of the little 1 or 2 inch crappy ones that they sell at Walmart or whatever. They do make those a little bit better, but if you're getting a new furnace, you really need to have something like this. This is April Air. It takes the 413 media, and media is not cheap, but I'll put a link. This is the media. Comes in a thing like this, but these things you need to make sure of a couple things. First thing is you need to make sure that the direction is proper of the airflow. Airflow, this one is this way. These things, though, you can see have a handle here, and then you pull it off, and then the filter is in the inside. You want to replace it when you cannot see light through it. So usually anywhere from 3 to 6 months. If you have a lot of pets and whatnot, you may want to check it more frequently. But this particular one, as you see, I've got some stuff here I need to move. But anyways, it slides right out. And let's back it off some here. This one's got a little bit more time to go, but you can see that there is dirt in this thing. I would say another couple weeks and it'll be ready. But notice when you do this, that on the top are the airflow, and then make sure with one of these, like the 413, these grooves fit in the top and the bottom of your air filter holder. And then make sure that when you snap the top or the top back on, you put the bottom first. These little things right here go down, and then you rotate the top up, and these snap in place. I'm going to put this one back, but even though basically you saw enough how to replace it, and I'll try to get in real low on so you can see how they fit into these slots. A little bit tricky, but really not too bad. Let's do the bottom first. Make sure the airflow's the right way. And the way to check it is to make sure it's in there is pull up on the I've never had this much trouble, of course, when you go to video it. Make sure it's straight in. I don't know why I've never had this kind of issue. Actually, because I have a little box in the way. There we go. So see, I'm pulling up, and it's perfecto. And you do the same with the top, and then it'll slide in. Then again, you take this, it goes in the bottom, and then it snaps in the top. Make sure it's in, and always make sure you flip the either turn it off at the top or flip off the switch down at the unit. Okay, so that's all there is to it. So anyway,